ciao, buon cosari di ciube. Ciao, enjoy the video.
What's up folks, how you doing? Enrique Morris YouTube channel adventure. One more time for all of you, delivering a new chopper here with Paula. We left Noah home because he really want to be with grandpa and grandma. Anyhow folks, I'm glad everybody here as usual, you know, checking me up, you know, to see what is the news, right? What we want to show you is what we used to be, how we used to live in the past years in the island of Trinidad and Tobago. So I'm gonna leave you guys with these short clips, you know, to see what do you think. In the meantime, I'm gonna set the camp, we're gonna cook, we're gonna eat something, and then we'll talk about that. All right folks, see you around. Talk to me guys, talk to me. What do you think about all that short footage about the beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago? I hope you enjoyed the whole short trip. You know, I try to give it to you guys. As you saw, we used to live there. That was our home, located in a beautiful mountain, 750 meters above sea level. And it was a great experience, you know, and knowing about the culture of the islands, a lot of waterfall, small population as well, you know, beautiful beaches, sea, and what else I can say? I mean, if you guys are interested to visit the Trinidad and Tobago Island, go ahead guys. I don't try to do advertising for these islands, just to let you know that the world is out there. Go, experience, travel, and get motivated guys, and stay positive and take care of the natural environment, you know guys. We love you guys. Good to see you here one more time with us, and let me know what do you think about that video. Don't forget to subscribe, it's so free, right? And give me that thumb up and share the beautiful things of the natural environment with the other people. All right folks,